In this video I'm going to show you how to use saved audio on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first let me show you how to save audio. So there I got some reel, and in order to save audio from that reel I need to tap there on audio name to open up that audio, and now that's all I have to do. Just click on save audio right there. Now it says saved, and now I can go to my profile to start creating my own story. I hit plus icon, next I hit on story. There I may use camera or some pictures from my gallery. I'll select that one. And now to add music to that story I might do the following. I need just hit there on stickers icon, and there look for music sticker. It's located right here. I just click on that, and all I have to do now is click on saved right there to open up my saved audios. As you can see, it's 2 now in my account. And now in order to use audio in your story you need to just hit on that audio, and there comes up such thing where you can select first basically view of that sticker. You can switch between them in that way. Just hit on these icons. I like that one because it's small, and now there you can select the exact part of the audio file that you need to enter to your story. So you can swipe over, drag it to the right or to the left, and select the specific part of that audio file, and when you finish you can just hit done, and now you are able to change the position of that audio sticker. And basically that's it. Now you can continue creating your story as you normally would, and after that you can share it to your story feed. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.